Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is power of magnetism beyond understood science. Ladies and gentlemen, there exists an invisible sculptor in the universe, not seen yet ever shaping. It pulls metals, stirs compasses, guides birds, powers galaxies, and perhaps even influences thought. Magnetism, often confined to the realm of physics, quietly transcends that definition. From Earth's poles to the inner corridors of the human heart, it stands not just as a force, but as a symbol of balance, guidance, and invisible resonance. It is not simply science. It may well be a silent signature of the universe itself. At its core, magnetism originates from moving electric charges, a principle that governs electromagnetic radiation, planetary alignment, and technological marvels alike. From permanent magnets to electromagnets, the interplay of electric and magnetic fields enables devices, machines, and even memory itself in digital systems. But magnetism is far more than a physical phenomena. Across cosmic dimensions, magnetic fields swirl through galaxies, regulate solar flares, and may even modulate cosmic rays reaching Earth, impacting atmospheric chemistry and possibly even evolutionary triggers. This hints at a hypothesis worth exploring, that cosmic magnetic energy flows carried through space influence time, energy, and terrestrial balance, shaping Earth's singular habitability in a universe largely inhospitable to life as known. Magnetism is also a biological symphony. Migratory species, from sea turtles to monarch butterflies, use geomagnetic cues to navigate vast distances. Humans too are subtly aligned to magnetic rhythms. Emerging studies suggest that cells, including neurons and cardiac cells, align and behave differently under changing magnetic exposure. Even DNA, the essence of life, appears to respond to magnetic fields. Certain frequencies have been observed to influence DNA repair mechanisms, suggesting that magnetism might not only be a guiding force, but a healing one. At the emotional and psychological level, the heart produces an electromagnetic field 5,000 times stronger than the brain's, measurable beyond the body. Positive emotions increase coherence between heart and brain fields, possibly influencing mental clarity, emotional resilience, and interpersonal harmony. In ancient wisdom, this internal magnetism was recognized as Akarshan Shakti, the power of divine attraction. As Lord Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita, there is nothing beyond me. All things rest upon me as pearls strung on a thread. This metaphor of pearls and thread speaks directly to the nature of magnetism, an invisible force that binds all existence with subtle coherence. Just as magnets invisibly hold particles and planets in pattern, the cosmic self holds together life, time, and truth. Through history, the magnetic compass guided ancient mariners just as GPS systems do today, still relying on the magnetic properties of Earth and satellites. The journey from pole-seeking needles to algorithmic navigation shows that while technology has evolved, magnetism remains the primordial guide. Yet, in space exploration, magnetism poses both promise and peril. Magnetic storms from the sun can disrupt spacecraft, satellites, and astronaut physiology. Navigating interstellar space demands protection from these invisible but potent fields. Could magnetism also shape human character and destiny? If human systems, physical, emotional, and energetic, can be aligned with beneficial magnetic fields, this opens new frontiers. Practices like grounding, magnetic therapy, and time in natural environments may help balance the magnetism of thoughts, emotions, and intentions, shifting negative patterns into positive frequencies. This invites a deeper moral contemplation. Just as magnets repel and attract, so do thoughts, actions, and energies. In a world polarized by ideologies, perhaps balance lies in cultivating inner magnetic coherence, neither extreme nor void, but centered. What's the way forward? The future may well belong to those who not only master magnetic technology, but understand its subtle influence on consciousness, biology, and interconnection. Research on magnetogenetics, heart-brain coherence, and cosmic magnetodynamics is opening doors. But beyond research lies realization that existence flows best when aligned with universal order. When magnetic poles shift, as that of Earth's occasionally do, turbulence follows. In the human realm, misalignment of internal energies leads to chaos too. The real evolution, therefore, is not just outward but inward, harmonizing life with deeper magnetism of truth, righteousness, and cosmic rhythm. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, magnetism teaches that what is unseen may be more vital than what is seen. It silently choreographs the dance of planets, directs the compass of worlds and minds, and vibrates through every cell and every star. Yet, in its pull and push, its polarity and power, lies a truth far greater, that harmony is born not from resisting force, but from aligning with the deeper current of existence. The Bhagavad Gita reminds, in the words of Lord Krishna, I am the Self, seated in the hearts of all beings. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all. Here, magnetism becomes not only natural law, but sacred presence, a reminder that within every being flows a silent magnet, drawing all toward unity, coherence, and cosmic order. In a world fragmented by directionless movement, this ancient and ageless force still offers orientation, not just of bodies or technologies, but of consciousness itself. In this still magnetic center, the soul finds its true north. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.